think you can? You think you can? I know you can. I got faith in you. I taught you, but you can't. You're gonna have to. You're gonna be scared because that's just human nature when you getting on something as, you know, as big as a Harley is. But they make smaller versions of Harley, which she don't want because of the fact that she wants the bags and the back wing or the shark nose. You know, because she wants her music and things of that nature. So.
You can't get out there and get
the little sportsters,
forget about riding the bike though.
And the diners and things of that nature. That's not gonna be down her alley because I'm trying to get her to get a Honda. Yeah, a Shadow, a bagger, just like my daughter. I mean, just like my wife. I said my daughter.
You don't know damn right funnel. Shit, you ain't got no right funnel. You know what the hell the deal is. You know the right.
What it is.
Hell, if you gonna cook rice, cook it in the pot. Don't cook it on the bike. Get your damn roast beef or whatever you want to get. Don't sell yourself short.
Thank you.
Come over a little bit further.
Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This your old boy, OG Triple. Listen, have a 08 Nissan Altima, and we're going to put a front mount on it. This one here I already changed overnight. Thing leaking water. I changed 2 overnight, and the last one I got left is this one here, which is the top mount. And this mount goes in like this. It sits down here. Turn that thing around right. It sits down like that, okay? So what I did, I already took a loose your cooling jug, the power steering reservoir. The dog bone mount is what we call this because it looks like a dog bone. The dog bone mount, remove this, and I got a swivel on the end of my ratchet here to break that bolt there, because if I didn't do it that way, you were going to have to take this plate off here, which goes all the way on the other side over there. It runs all the way over here on that other side as well, okay? And you would have to remove that whole plate that runs down through that runs down through there, okay? So I said, no, it's got to be a better way. So I got me a swivel, and what that swivel did is allowed me to go down in here where you see this bolt here at, and it allowed me to take it off without removing this, because this bolt won't come up, okay? So that's what it helped me do right there. It saved me a little bit of time on the process. So let me finish getting it on out like so. And if I would have had my impact gun charge, you would have been hearing that thing go off, because this right here, this. Okay, I'll come back to this one here. Take that one off as well. And before, you always keep in mind, man, you know, if it's a motor mount, it's a self-explanatory. Motor mount, meaning the motor mounts on this mount. So you have to have a stand with a wooden block up under your oil pan and raise the motor to right at the right distance where it don't have a strain, so to speak, on your motor, so your mount will come straight out. Okay, so I got that one. That turns out to be a long boat. Remember, this is that back boat. Actually, this one was probably about the hardest one to get to. Now I got it free. Okay, come here. I'm gonna grab this one here. Okay, I'm gonna grab this one here. That's this one right here. Alright. Hurry up, gun. Charge up. Charge up. I done it this way right here, guys, for so many years outside the air gun. And I like the little electric guns that they have out now a lot better, because you don't have to worry about that big old long cord that you got to haul around. Okay, we got one here, pretty big one. See that motor move? I got a stand supporting it. I'm gonna take the support bracket off. And it's a pretty long one too. It runs all the way through that upper mount right here. Wow design, man. These bolts are here and there. I know there are 18s, and this one here is a 15s. Short, short. Know where they go. Long, okay? Short, short, long, and this one probably a long one as well. But you can't mess it. You know that long one goes all the way down. See that journal there? That long one goes all the way down. It's gonna be the one in the middle. The two short ones gonna go on the end. Okay. The big nut that was here, I went on and broke that loose. Got that off the way. Pull that top part off. I'm gonna lay it over here, and I'm gonna try to finesse this thing out of here. Okay. Yeah, that thing's been a little rough, man. Gonna slide my long boat out of there. See if I can get something in here and pry that thing off. It ain't going that way. Okay, guys. What you have to do is you have to remove your power steering hose here, which is the return side. And once you move the return side, you can go ahead and slide that mount right out, even as a whole piece like it is now, because it looks like it's made to separate, but you're gonna catch, you're gonna catch a little something trying to separate that thing in there, right? So as I got that out, while I got it out, go ahead and turn this thing the way it needs to go. Which is like so. Go ahead and turn it like so. I can go ahead and put this hose back on there because it's making a mess. Here's my 2 bolts. The long one goes there, like that, and the other one goes on top of it, on the other side. I'm there, okay? All right, so let's get this here. And I know how hard that thing was to do it like that. So I'm going to go ahead and put this down on there the way it goes. Oh, I'm looking at this one. Slide this down through there like that. All in a 2-piece fashion. That way, I'll take that off one more time. Slide this up underneath it. I'm good to go. Put that back on there like that. Now all it is just lining everything back up. Okay? Just lining it up. Yep. Like so. And I take my bolts. I like to put one on down in there to kind of line it up. And remember, this is the one I had to walk back, but it's no problem. I can see straight down there to it. As long as I can see through it, I should be able to start. See that? Went down with no problem. Okay? The back bolt. I'm just kind of presetting all these mount bolts, getting it like preset it, okay? Once I preset everything, we'll go ahead and lock it down. Make sure I got everything turned the right way. Yep. Slide that back like that. And once you get them all started, like everything's supposed to go, I'll go ahead and snug them down. Okay, I finally got that. Thought I had that caught the first time. Got it this time, though. Okay, yeah. Now snug that in. So I got all that stuff lined up, as you can see. Here. Raise the motor up to it. You raise the motor up to get that clearance out of there. Yeah. And there you go. So hang tight, guys. I'll be back in a second. Okay, guys. What I did, I went on and ran all my bolts down. Here. I torqued back in from here. I started there. You guys see me start there. I started from here, there, and there. Got them all torqued down. Okay. So now I can go ahead and put my hose back on my power steering reservoir so I can quit losing that fluid. I didn't lose that much of it though. I never do. I'll leave that off for right now. Give me a pair of pliers. Put this line here back up. These pliers ain't worth a crap. Okay, got that back on. Okay, all I'm doing now is going ahead and lining this back up. Need to come. It's a little small trick to doing something like this. Sometimes you can get behind the car. You can roll it forward or either back. Let that pressure down. Yeah. Yep. Well, that's it, guys. It's not much more to it. I'm just trying to. There you go. Get that right there. Get something in there where I can do this. That's all I need. See that right there? That's all I needed. Go ahead and start it. I just take a little pipe, put it in between this right here. Watch that plastic now. Put it in between that right there. Put a little love lean on it like that. Keep going till you line that bolt up. And once you line it in, and you can able to screw it in like you see me doing with my hand, you're good to go. Okay? And that is how to put an upper motor mount on a 08 Nissan Altima. Please like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, stay safe out there.